Hey everyone, I'm Christine Belling, jewelry expert at BriteCo Insurance, and today we're talking about something every newlywed should think about: how to preserve your wedding bouquet. Your flowers are one of the most beautiful and emotional parts of your wedding day. They walk down the aisle with you, star in your photographs, and hold so many memories. But what happens to them after the big day? Let's talk about how to keep your bouquet beautiful long after the last dance. Your bouquet is more than flowers. It's a keepsake. Preserving it means holding onto a physical reminder of your day, your colors, your story, and the care that went into every detail. Whether you want to frame it, display it in resin, or press the petals into art, there are so many creative ways to make the bouquet last for years. And just like your rings and dress, it's part of your love story and worth protecting. There's no one right way to preserve your bouquet. It depends on your style and your budget. Here's the most popular options. Number 1, air drying, the simplest method. Hang your bouquet upside down and dry in a dark space for about 2 weeks. The flowers lose their color a bit, but keep their shape beautifully. Number 2, pressing. Pressing flowers between parchment or a flower press creates a flat, timeless look, perfect for framing or shadow boxes. Number 3, silica gel drying. This method keeps more of the flower's natural color and structure. You can do it at home or hire a preservation specialist to handle it carefully. Number 4, resin casting. This one's trending big. Encasing your bouquet or just a few favorite blooms in resin to create decor or paperweights. It's modern, artistic, and incredibly durable. Number 5, professionally freeze drying. For all bouquets, this is the premium option. Florists use specialized equipment to remove moisture while keeping the flower's shape and color as close to perfect as possible. It can take weeks, but the results are stunning. No matter which method you choose, time is everything. If you plan to preserve your bouquet, store it in a cool, dry place right after your wedding. Don't let it sit in the sun or near a heater. If you're sending it to a preservation company, ship it as soon as possible, ideally within 24 to 48 hours. And here's a pro tip. Talk to your florist before your wedding day about your preservation plans. They can suggest blooms that hold up best after drying and freezing. Your wedding bouquet holds moments. The scent of your ceremony, the color of your joy, the touch of that walk down the aisle. Preserving it lets you carry that beauty forward, maybe as a framed piece in your home or as an heirloom art for the future generations. And while you're preserving your flowers, don't forget the other keepsake that deserves lifelong protection: your wedding rings. With BriteCo Jewelry Insurance, your engagement and wedding rings are covered for loss, theft, and damage worldwide with zero deductible. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more wedding tips and jewelry care insights from all of us here at BriteCo.